Hey, this GoEngineer tips video is going to cover the advanced selection tools that are on the standard toolbar. These give you a veritable array of tools for selecting in different and creative ways. Let's start off with volume select. If I go to volume select, I can drag a box and I'll get drag handles that I can dynamically resize to create this selection volume. Anything completely inside this volume gets selected, as you can see here in the tree. This tool is very nice. You can change it on the fly. Our next advanced selection tool is select suppressed. For instance, maybe we have some suppressed components in our assembly, and it would be nice to be able to select all of those. We can go to our select suppressed, and they are automatically picked up in the tree. Our next selection tool is select hidden. A little bit different than suppressed. Hidden parts are rebuilt, but they're not shown. Here we've got a couple of washers and hold down bolts in this assembly. It'd be nice to be able to select those. Let's use our advanced selection tool to select hidden, and you can see that they are selected right away. Our next tool is select mated to. This tool is very useful for finding what parts mate to a given part. For example, this stand here that everything is tied into. I'll go to select mated to, and it shows me every part that is mated, has an associated mate to that base. Our next tool is very helpful when you're working with anything where you want to select parts inside, and it doesn't necessarily have to be closed, but it's going to select interior parts. For example, we have an electronic enclosure here. I would love to be able to select all my internal parts. Watch what happens when I use the select internal components. It picks up all of my interior components. Very nice tool. Finally, we've got a advanced selection tool for toolbox parts specifically. Here we've got quite a lot of toolbox fasteners. It'd be nice to be able to select those in one fell swoop. With our select toolbox selection, we can do that. Our last tool is a bit of an advanced tool, and it allows you to build a custom selection under advanced select. For instance, we have several of the parts. If you'll notice, the rails are transparent. I'm going to build an advanced selection to select the transparent parts. I'll go to display, condition is equal to, and we'll say transparent. We apply that, and hopefully you can see that it's selected all of our transparent parts in this assembly. Hope you've enjoyed this tips video. Thanks for listening.